it's the MFG here. We are in Daley College here in Chicago with FANUC and Make It in Illinois. We're about to show you the whole day. Me and DJO got on the road before the sun came up so we could be here today. We're gonna rock the show with all these technical educators, these robotics instructors and engineers, and then we're gonna take you on a tour of the dope M-TEC center that they just built to house all these things and to teach all of these people 21st century skills, connect them with the jobs of the future and the manufacturers out here. We're ready, I'm excited. My dog Joe Baldega's in here right now from FANUC Education, knocking it down. I'm ready to rock this thing. We'll see you soon. Daley College, Chicago, what's up? Make it in Illinois, we're here. But I know you guys can still hear me because I project, I do this all the time. All right, so the first thing I want y'all to do is, I want you to take out your phone and put your phone in the air, all right? But we didn't have no lights, right? Let's start looking at non-traditional talent. This is the future of America, and this is who I'm gonna teach you how to connect with today, okay? If I see LeBron wearing Adidas or Nikes, and then LeBron.
My son and my daughter know. They said like, what is it? We don't even understand what he's saying. But he was like,
we're here at Daley College, and we're about to get treated to a tour of the facility. So you're gonna see if you come into this manufacturing program and you're ready to make it in Illinois, and you choose Daley as the place that you're gonna make it in Illinois, I'm gonna give you a first look at the machines you'll be working on, the instructors you'll be working with, and the type of things that you'll be learning. Y'all ready? I think I'm really trying to help you make it in Illinois. I'm trying to be quiet. I don't want to mess up the tour. But this is for y'all. This is for me. There's no expense spared in this area. Look at this beautiful Lincoln Electric stuff. This is not for fake. This is the stuff that they're working on in the field. You want to talk about welding? You want to weld? You don't want sparks flying all over your face? This is where it's at. Teach a robot how to weld, and guess what? All of these things put together, this is exactly how you're gonna make it in Illinois. So you're training with the best, you're learning from the best, and it's all gonna be financially viable for you to be able to do it. And there's gonna be great employers hiring you after this because these are the exact same machines that you see in their fields. Make it in Illinois.